Recycling, it's been a staple in South Florida communities for decades, but recycling as we know it is in trouble. A combination of international trends, mistakes at the curb, and skyrocketing costs.
One community has taken the drastic step of burning all its trash. CBS 4's Joan Murray has more in her special report, Rethinking Recycling.
Gabriella Wisniewski never misses a chance to recycle, rolling her bottles, cans, and cardboard to the curb.
I think it's important for us to be good neighbors to each other, good members of society, and good stewards of the planet.
But increasingly in South Florida, what you think is ending up at this mega recycling plant in West Broward is actually going to a landfill. Or in the case of Sunrise, it's being burned and turned into electricity at this waste-to-energy facility because of skyrocketing costs.
The price of processing recyclables increased from $53 a ton to approximately $96 a ton.
When China stopped taking our paper and plastic, it caused a crisis in communities here and nationwide.
When cities used to get a rebate and maybe it was a positive to have their residents recycling every month, they're now seeing it generally as a payout. It's a cost, it's a service, and cities are having to get used to that.
Right now, this facility is getting 700 tons a day of material. They operate 20 hours a day, 6 days a week. That is a lot of waste.
Problem is, a lot of what you see coming in isn't recyclable, over 25%. Electric cords, plastic bags, clothing, even baby walkers contaminate the load.
It's dangerous, it's costly, and it really impacts the quality of the material we can produce at the end of the process, making that material less valuable.
And cities pay more when they send in a contaminated load. Worse, South Floridians aren't doing a good job recycling what's valuable.
Want to recycle clean, dry, and loose paper, cardboard, bottles, cans. If it's not that, when in doubt, throw it out.
With cost rising and landfill space shrinking, Broward is exploring recreating something abandoned before, a regional system to handle trash and recycling. Broward County Commissioner Beam Furr is taking the lead.
Is open the doors to innovation and, allow for the ingenuity, the American ingenuity to take place.
Controlling our destiny will take years. What about now? Trash and recyclables going up in smoke.
In terms of research, we're only scratching the surface.
But Allison Rich, head of the Earth Ethics Institute of Miami-Dade College, worries burning trash is hazardous to our health.
All of that particulate matter and all of the chemicals that are in our trash, whether it's lead or things related to climate change, those things all go into our atmosphere.
The future of recycling hangs in the balance. Maybe the end of an era or the beginning of something entirely new. In Pembroke Pines, Joan Murray, CBS 4 News.
While the cities and counties work toward better long-term options for recycling, it's important to know exactly what we can and cannot put in the recycling bin. We put all this info on our website, cbsmiami.com.